How to add questions in Moodle Quiz. The Moodle app is a mobile learning platform that lets students access courses, submit assignments, take quizzes, join discussions, view grades, and receive updates anytime, even without internet. Here's how to add questions in Moodle Quiz. Log into your Moodle account as a teacher or admin. Go to the course where your quiz is located. Then click on the quiz activity you want to edit. Select Edit Quiz from the quiz options. Click the Add button. Choose a new question from the drop-down. Select the type of question like multiple choice, true, or false. Enter the question name, text, and answer options. Mark the correct answer and add feedback if needed. Then set the grade or mark for the question. Click Save Changes to add it to your quiz. If you have faced any issue, you can contact Moodle customer support for assistance. Thanks for watching.